morning everyone. Myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss about LCM. How to find out the LCM of the given number, that we'll discuss now. First you need to know what is LCM. The least common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number, that is a multiple of those number. Multiples should be there. Okay. Now let me give you one example, and with the help of that you can understand about the LCM. Okay. So here we have two numbers. The first number is 4, you can see, and the second number is 6. And the multiples of 4, we can see here 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. Alright. Same way the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, etc. Alright. Now if you see the multiples of 4 and 6 here, you will notice 12 is common in both. You can see same way 24 also common in both. Alright. And these two are the multiples of 4 and 6, and both are common in both. I mean 12 and 24 both are common in both. Alright. Now we got 12 and 24 common in both. Alright. But for the LCM we have to take the least multiple. Alright. Least multiple. So 12 is the smallest number, you can see, if we compare with 24. So this will be the LCM. You can see the LCM equal to 12. So this is how we have to find out the LCM. Clear now? And this is only the LCM. Now we have more methods to find the LCM of the given number. Generally we have to follow those methods only. Alright. So let's discuss about those methods also. So first method we have here, prime factorization method. You can see, find the LCM using prime factorization method. Alright. So question you can see here, find the LCM of 36 and 48. We have to find out the LCM of 36 and 48. So let's discuss how to find out the LCM of 36 and 48 using prime factorization method. Okay. You already studied about prime factorization methods, so I don't think so there will be any problem in understanding it. So let's discuss. First we have to prime factorize each number which is given here, 36 and 48. We have to prime factorize. Alright. So first you can see we have here 36. So first we will divide this 36 by the smallest prime number, and the smallest prime number you know very well, 2. We'll see whether it is divisible by 2 or not. You can see the unit digit has got a unit digit, we have here 6. Easily we can divide by 2, so we'll divide first by 2. Okay. When we divide this 36 by 2, we'll get here 18. Alright. Still we can divide by 2. This 18 is still we can divide by 2, so we'll divide by 2. Now this will go by 9 times. But now here you can see we have 9. We can't divide by 2. Alright, we can't divide by 2, so we'll go for next prime number which is 3. Okay, and by 3 this 9 we can divide, so now we'll divide by 3. Now how many times? 3, 3, 9. So this will go by 3 times, so 3 will write here. Now again this 3 we can divide by 3, so divide by 3. So here we got 1. Alright. So the prime factors we got of 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Like this you have to write. You can see like this you have to write whatever factors we got this side. Alright, you have to write here like this. Arrange it. Alright. And after that same we will find out for 48. First we'll divide by 2, smallest prime number. And here you can see unit digit is 8. So easily we can divide by 2. So when we divide this 48 by 2, we'll get here 24. Again this 24 we can divide by 2. So we'll divide. So we'll get here 12. Okay. Again this 12 we can divide by 2. So we'll get here 6. Alright. Now again we can divide by 2. So we'll get here 3. Alright. Now we can't divide this 3 by 2. So we'll move for the next prime number. And the next prime number is 3. Now this will go how many times? 1 time. Alright. Same way you arrange the factors of 48 also here, prime factors you can see. And after that we have to find out the LCM. So you need to see what are the numbers there in the factors. So you can see we have 2, 3, here also 2, 3. Alright. Now for the LCM you need to write the maximum number of whatever numbers are there, like 2. You have to see the maximum number of 2. Here if you see 1, 2, only 2 times is there. And here if you see 1, 2, 3, 4 time is there. So you need to take 4 time. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. So maximum number of occurrence you need to take. Alright. After that next number what we have? 3. 3 you see we have here 2 time and here we have only 1 time. So we'll take how many time? 2 time. You can see 1 and 2. And after that just multiply these numbers, you will get the LCM. Alright, this is how we have to find out the LCM of the given number. And the LCM we got 144 of 36 and 48. Am I clear you all? Now let's move to the next method, and that is we have division method. Alright, and the question we have, find the LCM of 60. Find the LCM of 60, 40 and 90. Alright. Now in division method you need to arrange all 3 numbers. We have here 3 numbers. You can see all 3 numbers in one place only. Alright. In the previous method we found separately and did. But here we have to arrange in one place only. Alright. Now again we need to divide these numbers by the smallest prime number first. So smallest prime number we have 2. And you can see we have 60, 40 and 90, easily we can divide by 2. So we'll divide by 2. So when we divide 60 by 2, we'll get here 30. When we divide 40 by 2, we'll get here 20 and here we'll get 45. Alright, now we have 30, 20 and 45. Clear? Now again we'll take 2. But if you see here we have 30, 20 and 45. We can divide this 30 and 20 but not 45. But in LCM at least 2 should be divisible from the list. We have 3 numbers here na? So at least 2 should be divisible by the particular prime number. So if you see 30 and 20 is divisible by 2, so we'll take 2 and 45 as it is we'll mention here. We'll not divide to the 45 and same we'll write here. Am I clear you all? Let's see. 2 when we divide this 30 by 2 we'll get here 15. When we divide 20 we'll get here 10, and as I said 45 as it is we need to write here because this is not divisible by 2, but from the list 2 are divisible, so we have to divide. Clear now? Now you can see by 2 only this number is divisible. As I said at least 2 should be divisible, so we will not take 2, instead we will move for next prime number, and by next prime number what is that? 3, and by 3 we can divide this 15 and 45, but this 10 we cannot divide, so we will write as it is here. Okay, let's divide now. 3, 5, 15, 10 we can't divide, so we will write as it is, same. Then 45 when we divide by 3 we'll get here 15. Clear? Now by 3 we can't divide because we have here 5, 10 and 15. Only 15 we can divide by 3, but according to the rule at least 2 should be divisible. So now we will divide by 5, so we'll get here 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so therefore the LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 3. Okay, when we multiply we'll get 360. Alright, so this is how we have to find out. 360 we got the LCM. Basically what we did, we multiplied the factors. You can see 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 by 2 into 3. Alright. So we have to multiply the factors and undivided number. Okay, and when we multiply we'll get the result, LCM. So this is how we have to find out the LCM using division method. Alright, I hope the concept is clear to you all. Thank you everyone.